Welcome back to my channel. My name's Danielle Collins, world leading face yoga expert, and today we are going to be doing an ultimate technique to reduce hooded eyes. So clean hands, clean face, place your index fingers underneath your eyebrows. Slightly lift your eyebrows upwards. Now what you want to do here is slightly lift. It's not a massive lift, it's just a slight lift. And you will find a couple of creases come in the forehead area. This is probably the only one of my techniques where I allow that. Usually I say no creases anywhere in the skin, but we need this to do the exercise. So we will release any creasing afterwards. So doing that, and close your eyes now against the resistance of your fingers until you can feel a shake. I want you to hold there for around 10 seconds. I want you to gently open back up and take that again. Close the eyes, feel that little shake. Holding for about 10 seconds. Releasing, and you can release the fingers for a moment. Take that one more time. Closing, feel for that shake. Good. Open back up the eyes. Then use your fingers, all of your fingers now, and just glide across your forehead. We really want to make sure that we completely massage out any little lines which were temporarily created for those 30 seconds, and also just relax any tension in this frontalis muscle, as well as generally boost the circulation. So that little technique I taught you can do once to twice a day. Keep it up regularly. It's really going to help to release and reduce hooded eyes. If you'd like more information on face yoga, you can head to faceyogaexpert.com.